Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use coupon on Temu. So first thing first, we're heading into our app. Alright, so what you want to do is click on the U button, and right here you can see coupons and offers. So right here you just click on coupons and offers, okay? Or you can click on get to get a new coupon. Alright, so I don't have any coupon available, okay, but if you add your coupon available on right here, all you have to do is just copy the coupon code, right, and then head to categories and search for the coupon code right here. Just input the coupon code and you'll be able to use your coupon code on Temu easily. So it's easy and straightforward. If you click on get, this is what it is. You can play the game and get a coupon code. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.